Hello everyone, so welcome to LearnExcel again. So today we're going to talk about how we can calculate a grade using the IFS function. So many of you already I think know about the if function. If function is a type of function that is used when you are trying to use a type of arguments. Now if you have one argument, you can use the if function, and if you have multiple arguments that you want to use, like here you can use the ifs function. For example, here you can see I have a set of criteria for the marks. So if the marks that is greater than or equal to 80, then the student will be given a plus. If it is less than or equal to 79, the student will be given A. Then 69, it will be A minus, then it will be B, then B minus, then C, then F. Okay, so here I want to give the students the grade they deserve for their number based on the ifs function. So what we can do is we're going to type ifs. Okay, so for this type of situation, always try to start your arguments from the lowest number, always. So first you are going to write d4 less than 33. This is our logical test 1. Value if true, the students gets an F. Why I have put it under parenthesis? Because it is a string, not a number. Okay, now the logical test 2. If d4 is less than 39, less than or equal to 39, then the student gets what? A C. Okay, now we're going to just copy and paste these things, so we don't have to type it every single time. We're just going to change the number and the grade. So here, if the student 49, then the grade is B minus. Okay, fantastic. Then again, if the student gets less than or equal to 59, the grade becomes B. Then again, if the student gets 69, the grade becomes A minus. Okay, we're almost done. It's less than or equal to 79, the student gets an A. And our last condition here, if the student gets equal to or more than 80. Okay, so here we're going to change the direction, and the result will be A plus. Okay, now we can close our bracket and press enter. So okay, so it's done. So as you can see, as the student Anika Tabasum got 95 in math, and it falls within our this criteria, so she is getting a number that is more than or equal to 80, so she is given an A plus. Now this student's Arif, he got 65, so it falls within this one, less than or equal to 69, so he gets A minus. Let's see if he gets A minus. Yes, he does. So now we can drag it, and this condition is going to work in all the grades. So I hope you can understand the use of the ifs function, and this is how you can use the ifs function to calculate the grade of students based on their given number. I hope this helps. Thank you.